Thank you for coming back to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. I totally forgot yesterday about my drawing. So I have this sunflower accordion folder that I'm going to give to a lucky winner who has left me a comment below. So this has little pockets in the front. It's got some ephemera and different little stuff. It has lace here, some papers that match with the elastic cord. I've wiggled them around. I'm going to try and get one. Crafting with Pat. So Miss Pat, send me your information or send me an email and we'll get together. While I'm here, I thought I'd show you real quick. I'm also working on these little accordion files. So this one has a lot of my little pockets and tickets and ephemera and stuff in it. And it has a flap. I just haven't got the flap on the other one yet. This one is in my shop right now. This one I got to put in there. But it's a cute little summer, spring ephemera holder. So I've got these and I just keep playing with them. I have so much fun. I'm working on a green one. I had all this bright green cardstock and I used magazine pages and I'm just going to put them, these are going to be the same size, so they're just going to go like this. So they won't be graduated like this one. But Miss Pat, definitely get with me and I will have your gift in the mail. And thank you so much for everybody that stopped by and left a comment